Hey guys, it's Deana, and today I am making tetbal luklak. The name of this dish literally translates to shaken beef, which are cubes of steak that's been seared to perfection, creating a very beautiful harmony between savory, sweet, and buttery goodness. It is quick and easy to make and delicious over a big bowl of steamy white rice. Let's get cooking, guys. You'll need between a pound to a pound and a half of steak, any type you want. I like ribeye, so I cubed up some ribeye. We'll begin marinating the meat first. 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of sriracha, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Mix everything up really well. Add the cube steaks in. I cut them into 1-inch pieces and we'll let them marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes, however long it takes you to prepare your fresh vegetables. Sprinkle a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. In a large skillet, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 3 tablespoons of butter. Let them marry together and melt on a medium-high heat. Once the butter has melted halfway, add in the 1/4 cup of sliced garlic and let that cook for a little bit. Next, add in your red onions. Let that cook for 1 to 2 minutes. At this point, you can remove the onions if your pan isn't large enough to fit and sear the meat. You want a good sear, so remove the onion if necessary. You can add the onions back in later. Spread the steak out evenly so that it makes good contact with the pan. That way it can create a nice sear. Don't stir just yet. Let it sit for a while to sear. Then you can stir. And flip the meat to the other side. And if you're feeling adventurous, like a master chef, toss that meat to flip it around so it can sear on the other side. However, I did not do it very well. The meat flew out and landed all over the stovetop and the floor. So kids, don't try this at home unless you're a pro at tossing your food and not losing any. Let's forget that even happened. I'm going to stick to stirring with my ladle. Add in your cherry tomato or grape tomato, both will work. Toss it around for a minute or two and we are done. Now on to my favorite part, the plating, because we are that much closer to eating. My first time eating this dish was actually in France, in Provence, at a family-owned Vietnamese restaurant. Isn't that funny? I hope that you have enjoyed cooking with me today and that you continue to practice and become the master chefs in your own home. If you enjoy this video, please click the like button below and subscribe to my channel for future videos. You can find written recipes on my website. Follow me on IG for new videos and alerts update. Until next time, goodbye my friends.